Hey everybody, it's me, Ladosha. Welcome to my YouTube channel with another cool episode of Never Ever Ever Give Up on Your Hair. We have a wonderful video about how protein really helps hair that's looking and feeling extremely hopeless. Okay, so now that I'm halfway to 1,000, I hope you guys are going to share this video. So here is my guest who was wearing protective hairstyles and did not understand the importance of cleansing the hair more frequently and using protein to help fortify, strengthen, and revitalize hair as she wore her hair braided, and then she would, just throw a wig on or something simple. Okay, so here we are, getting her hair all cleansed up and prepping it so that we can give her a protein mud mask treatment. Now you guys know, or if you are not familiar, get my book, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, to learn more about this wonderful cleansing technique that we call toosing. So this technique is the modality of effectively cleansing the hair and the scalp, but check this out. You don't tangle it up. So you can learn more about that also right here on my YouTube channel platform. Or like I said, you can check out my book, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, to learn more about the 3 principles of hairstyling, which are the right products, the right tools, and as you can see here, the right technique. So we had to make sure that we had our hair nice and clean, because protein or any treatment will only work on clean hair. So my favorite protein of all time when it comes to a treatment is going to be Why Not Mud Masque. Now I can't put this in the description because it is available for licensed professionals only. So if you have your cosmetology license, reach out to me via email at ladoshaw@yahoo.com and I'll get you some. It smells really, really good. So the objective here with this protein, as you can see, because her ends are just like, oh my God. So these are the dangers of those so-called protective styles, because people are of the understanding that you can braid your hair, sew it in, put something on top, or twist it up, or not do anything at all, and somehow your hair would be protected. But as you can see in this video, it's a lie, okay? So you cannot protect hair by braiding it up. You can keep your fingers out of it and keep the flat irons out of it, but you can't protect your hair. So, unfortunately, she was misled. And that's why I'm on the YouTube platform. So here I'm slathering her hair with the protein. So remember, it's going to fortify, it's going to revitalize, and it's going to strengthen her hair by going to the second protein layer, and that's the cortex, and that's where the integrity or the strength of your hair is, as well as the color. And the secret to the protein mud mask is wheat. Now the good thing about proteins is that wheat protein is that it is a protein that your hair recognizes on a molecular level. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and voila. Let me tell you, her hair was exponentially thicker. She was like, is that really my hair? So in addition to her hair being clean, you have to admit it kind of poofed up there really good, and you can see the integrity of her hair coming back. Now, y'all know I don't style hair without feeling Pelusi, nor do I style hair without my rev hair, especially really long hair. So in addition to not using any protein and leaving the braids in too long, she was having her hair blow dry with an attachment, which is not good because you can't control the heat. The rev air is excellent for people with textured hair or just hair period. So here I'm going to shape her ends up. No, I'm not scissor happy. I'm just a happy hairstylist, and I love my job. Doesn't that look really, really good? Look at her scalp. No hair color, just her natural, beautiful hair. When I tell you she was impressed, she was thoroughly, thoroughly impressed. Look, her hair was so thick I had lost the clip in her. Did y'all see that? Hit that thumbs up. This looks really, really good. A lot of fun. So she can go back to braiding it up and put her wigs and weaves and have fun. She just can't wait so long to not cleanse, fortify, and revitalize her hair. Don't forget to get my book, Curly Hair Adventures. That's right, my book, Curly Hair Adventures, as well as my self-help book, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, where you can find all of these cool secrets, are available at my Amazon store. All you have to do is just shop Amazon and visit the LaDosha Wright store, and you will be in good hands, okay? So, oh, by the way, my products are sulfate and they are also paraben free. All right. And again, just visit my Amazon store at LaDosha Wright, and I have a large selection of hair care products and the Red Hair. Also, don't forget to check out my podcast, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon. It's available on all your podcasting platforms. And you can visit me this Sunday, August the 1st, at the Rock Yo Natural Cultural Fest here in Cleveland, Ohio. All you have to do is visit eventbrite.com and you will learn more about the Rock Your Natural Rock Your Natural 2 Cultural Fest right here in Cleveland, Ohio. So visit Eventbrite. Also, y'all, guess who's on TikTok and whatnot? That's right. Come on and follow me on TikTok. I'll follow you back. Look at that, 1.5 million views. Y'all know the Jerry curl? That's right. I'm bringing it back. So follow me on TikTok at LaDosha Wright, where I'm acting real silly and I'm only rocking old school music, okay? All right, guys. You can also check me out on all the other social media platforms. Peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, grab your beautiful bald head. I hope y'all like this video. Deuces.